Welcome back to our channel.
For today's video, Amira will be showing you how she washes her hair on wash day.
First, you're gonna see my hair sectioned off into 4 parts.
So the reason why she does this, guys, is because she wants to make sure that her hair does not get tangled up during the washing or shampooing process. So she's going to take each part, section it off, and then put a little twist in there.
I fear we gon' disappear. Do you even want me? Do you even worry that I'm gonna love something?
Next, you see me wetting my hair, getting ready for the shampoo.
By yourself. What's it gonna take for you to love? Take for you to love me? What's it gonna
I will be using the TPH by Taraji Honey Fresh Clarifying Shampoo. And I love this shampoo because it's very moisturizing and it doesn't leave your hair very dry.
you to love? Take for you to love me? Yeah.
Okay, so I want you guys to notice how she's using her fingers to shampoo her hair up in her roots, making sure that she runs her hands through her hair shaft and also focusing that shampoo really focusing that shampoo on her scalp. Okay, I think she's doing a fantastic job with shampooing her hair in this section.
1 step forward, 2 steps backward.
After rinsing this section, I will continue the shampooing process throughout the rest of my head.
I don't need commenting at all because I know what I want. Baby, dig deep, it's time to make a move on my heart. What's it gonna take for you to love? Take for you to love me?
I do also want to take this time, you guys, to remind you, please do me a favor. If you like this video, please comment, like, and subscribe. Also, if you don't already follow me on Instagram and on TikTok, follow me at Tremise_Nicole. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you like.
One step forward, 2 steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need commenting at all.
Now that I'm done with the left side of my head, I'm going to move on to the right side of my hair. And I'm just going to clip away the already shampooed parts that won't get in my way.
What's it gonna take for you to show? Take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love? Take for you to love me, yeah.
So that green is really holding up, okay? Do me a favor, go to our last hair video and check out how I dyed her hair.
Summer's over, still getting nowhere, yeah. If winter blows here, baby, I fear we gon' disappear. Do you even want me? Do you even worry that I'm gonna love somebody else? Do you think about me when you're feeling lonely by yourself? What's it gonna take for you to love? Take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show? Take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to
Now that my hair is all clean, I'm going to use the TPH by Taraji Make It Rain Hydrating Conditioner. And I love this conditioner because it makes your hair very soft and easy to detangle with.
One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah.
You guys, I'm not even kidding, but when it comes to conditioner, we definitely use a lot. Less is not more in this situation, okay? We have a lot of hair, so we do go through conditioner quite faster than we do shampoo. Isn't that right, me? Yeah.
Gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me. What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me.
As you can see, now I'm using this detangling brush to detangle my hair with some conditioner in it.
Yeah, when you're detangling, you want to make sure you start from the ends and work your way up. You do not want to rip your hair out.
After detangling, I'm going to twist this section to avoid tangles and knots, and so it can be out of the way.
Yeah. One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? Yeah. Yeah. Summer's over, still getting nowhere, yeah. If winter blows here, baby, I fear we gon' disappear. Do you even want me? Do you even worry that I'm gonna love somebody else? Do you think about me when you're feeling lonely by yourself? What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show?
After I finish conditioning, I'm going to put my hair into a conditioning cap and wait 30 minutes.
Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you?
After waiting 30 minutes, I'm going to rinse the conditioner out. That is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you want to see me style my hair, then make sure to leave a comment.
And subscribe. Bye.
Bye.